That's for sure. Back a little bit on topic of, tax systems and tax ideas and taxes that you can imagine is basically where we derailed, because I started talking about what that percentage would be that would have to replace other taxes that people can imagine are things like the flat tax. And the flat tax is just another income tax that is flat across every level of income. So that wouldn't work to replace anything, right?
Well, no, it certainly wouldn't replace the tax system we have now. What we would do is replace the complicated rates and table, which is a good idea. I mean, it's a step in the right direction for sure. And it would simplify things, no doubt about that. But a flat income tax, Josh, is still an income tax.
Right.
You still have to file the tax returns. You still have to make and keep the records. You still got to pay the tax, right? You still got to write the check. And the biggest problem with the flat income tax is that businesses get no relief whatsoever.
Right.
Remember, the compliance costs are disproportionately loaded onto businesses, and small businesses in particular. And so those businesses with employees still have to do the withholding. They still have to make the deposits. They still have to file the employment tax return. They still have to report to the IRS with W-2s and 1099s all of the transactions that occur. None of that requirement, that invasive requirement, is simplified or eliminated for businesses. A flat income tax is still an income tax.
Another tax that gets imagined and thrown around, and something that we see in Europe is called a VAT.